Once upon a time, and I heard that I was ugly. Came from a bitch who nigga wanna fuck on me. Said my face bump, ass tight, back, nigga, shack, hype.
What's up, all my butterflies? It's your girl, Exotic B, better known as Breezy B, and I'm back with another coloring video, a coloring wig tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back, and thank you for watching. So y'all, this video is basically going to be just kind of showing you how I went from, I would say, like a color 4, like a brown, like an orangish brown, all the way to what I would call like a neutral yellow blonde. So honestly, y'all, this required no tinting. The color that it was already at, this is how I received the actual wig. This is how I bought it. This is a wig that I actually bought. I cannot remember where I got this wig from, but I will find it and I will make sure I link it down below. But it took very, very, very well to the lightener, and pretty much I'm just showing you guys exactly what I did. So as you can see, I've started coloring it, and like I said, y'all, I normally start in the mid shaft to the ends to the root. This is always how I've colored, especially if I'm doing a full lightening process. So that's pretty much what I did with every piece. So I took small pieces, and I did take some little like huger pieces, but I still kind of made them smaller so I could process better. And you will see all of that in the video. But y'all, I'm pretty much going to see the process on how I lightened everything and how I sectioned it. So I did start with 4 sections, and then I started in the back left quadrant, no, the back right quadrant, and then the left, and then, you know, however you want to go from there. But honestly, sometimes you can start at the top. I really wish I would have started at the top with this wig versus the back, but I'm so used to starting with the back that that's what I did. But everything still kind of evened out, and you will actually get to see that at the end of this video. All right, y'all, so we made it to the front. So I'm at the that is my right front, and I am using 40 Developer from Salon Care, which is Sally Beauty, and Quick White lightener. And I will actually be showing you guys a little bit more towards the end of the video exactly what I use, but it is definitely in Sally's Beauty, so anyone can go pick it up. So I did choose to use 40 volume because I wanted it to lift quickly and as high as possible, because what I was aiming for was kind of, like I said, like a kind of natural, a little bit of a yellow undertone, but I didn't want it too yellow. So I still want it to be like I didn't want like a rusty yellow blonde, but more of like a whitish blue undertone, so like a neutral blue. So that's exactly what I got. But honestly, I feel like it lightened this way because of the color that it was already at. So if this was at a 1 or 2, it would have taken some toning. But this 40 Developer with the Quick White worked very, very well. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing from here on out. I'm going to be just lightening, using the 40 Developer with the Quick White, and then we're going to see exactly how it turned out. Since this is a wig, I do not measure. I'm more of like an eyeball type of person when it comes to Developer and lightener. If this was an actual person's head, then I would definitely be measuring, but for this, y'all, eyeball, and also I did not have that much lightener anyway, so I knew I was going to be using the entire rest of the bag. And I even had to dip in some of my Wella with the Salon Care, which doesn't lighten as fast without its own Developer, but it still worked and did the job because it was only like at the little top left quadrant, and you guys will actually get to see that at more towards the end of the video. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much it. So I eyeballed it. I went with a medium thick consistency. I do not like it very runny, but I also don't want it too thick because I feel like that's not enough Developer that's actually going to be able to activate the lightener. So I just try to do like a medium thick consistency, kind of like a loose pancake mix, like a little bit looser than pancake mix. Pancake mix can be a little bit thick, so we don't want that thick like as if you were bleaching knots, but we just wanted at least able to work with it. So I was still able to move it around and rub it down and get it to go through the hair. So that's the kind of consistency you want, like a medium thick consistency. All right, y'all, so if you do decide to go with a little bit thicker pieces, make sure you do go back to those pieces and kind of open up the hair, rub the lightener through, just to kind of make sure you're not missing any pieces, because the last thing you want is a like blotchy lightener wig. You want it to be through and through, so you want to make sure that you, number one, have enough lightener and developer, and also you're just trying to get as small pieces as possible. But if you do get any thick pieces, you go back and you place more lightener, open up the hair, and make sure that it's spread all the way through. So that's kind of what I was doing a second ago. I was just opening up, making sure we're getting all the entire wig, because the last thing you want is to lighten the whole wig and then you have like a whole spot that's still like the old color. So that would really suck. Ooh, y'all, we are almost to the finish line, y'all. This was it wasn't thick, but it was kind of thick, so it was a little bit on the thick side of a wig, and on top of that, y'all, I was kind of rushing because I did have somewhere to go, so I was really surprised at myself at how like quick it took. I was doing really good, y'all. I was so proud of myself. Like, it kind of gave me like a nostalgia, like back in cosmetology school when I used to get time to color. Like, yeah, it's like that. But y'all, we are almost finished the wig, and y'all gonna get to see like the finishing results. If you are doing this at home and you're not really someone that normally lightens wigs or lightens, does it yourself, this tutorial will help you a lot, because like I said, this is teaching you how to do like a full overall lightening process. So just make sure you start from mid shafts to the ends, then to the root. The root is always going to take first, regardless if it, like, normally it's for real hair, of course, because that's where your actual like scalp is and it heats up and it moves kind of faster. But I still use that same like rule of thumb when it comes to any long hair wig, because you want everything to kind of correlate and become one color. So just make sure you move the brush back and forth with your pieces in your hand as well. That kind of helps to make sure that you minimize like that you're not getting any blotching. So I hope this helped you guys. I really hope this tutorial is helping. If you are going to attempt to do this at home, please comment down below and let me know if this helped, and other videos that you would like to see from me pertaining any hair videos or anything like that. I would love to hear. I would love to hear any hair videos or ideas that you have for videos, anything like that. Please put that in the comment. Make sure you like this video if you did like the content. Make sure you do subscribe, because I will definitely be making more videos like this. And make sure you turn your post notifications on so you never miss another video. But yeah, y'all, continue to watch and you get to see the finished look. All right, y'all, so as y'all can see, I kind of started running out of the actual quick white lightener mixture that I had, and I'm gonna have to go into my Wella. Like I said, Wella products are meant to be used with their own products. So it still did the job. It still did the job, but I can tell that it was a little, like a tiny bit darker than the other side. And it did bother me for a little while. And I did actually end up doing like a lightener bath, like a lightening bath with lightener and water. It kind of lifted, but then I realized once it dried that it wasn't that bad. It kind of still correlated, and it actually came out really, really nice. So it still did its job. I'm so happy I had both of them regardless, but just keep in mind certain products go with certain products. So make sure you go ahead and rub everything in, and here's the finished look. Make sure you rinse it very, very well and do a nice conditioner or silicone mix if you need to. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Make a nigga act right. Broke boys don't deserve no pussy. I know that.